Hello everyone, my name is Shivam Kesarwani, and in this video I will show you my new project, which is Issue Tracker. And I used Node.js, Express.js, EJS templating, MongoDB, Passport.js to create this project. And the purpose of this project is to track issues and bugs related to a project. So this project is running on EC2 instance, and I will share the link of this running project and the GitHub repository of this project in the description. So now let's get started. So if you are a new user, you can either sign up, but if you are not, you can log in using this login form. So now let's log in. So you see we get a home page on login which lists all the projects present in this issue tracker. Now let's create a project. Ensure that the description of the project has less than 1000 characters. So a new project is created. So this is our created project. You can also search a project by clicking on this hamburger icon and clicking on search project, and then enter either the project name or description of the project, or you can enter both. So you see the project which we search is being displayed here. So now let's visit a project page. When you open the project page, you get to see many details like the project name, author of the project, when the project was created, number of issues related to the project, and the description of the project. And you also see a delete button which you can use to delete the project. And also you see all the issues which are related to the project. And in each issue you see the author name, when the project was created, the status of the project, and the description of the project, and all the comments related to the project, which are used to ensure communication between users related to the issue. So if you need to create a project, click on this hamburger icon and you click on create issue button. Then enter all the details related to the issue. You can also search for a project using title or description or both. Or you can filter a project either by a username or label of a project or both. Let's search our project by author. So all the issues whose author is this is being displayed here. Now let's filter a project whose label is future. So all the issues whose label is future is being displayed here. So now let's search for a project. So you see all the issues whose name is this is being displayed here. So now let's search a project by description. So now we have entered the description, a part of the description actually. So all the issues whose part was this, whose description part was this, is being displayed now. There are other features also, such as you can see all the projects which are created by you by clicking on this button, and you can check all the issues which were created by you by clicking on this my issues button, and you can check all the comments created by you by clicking on this my comments button. And there is this user details button where you can edit your password, and then there is logout button. Thank you.